This is how to take picture of a car key. It sounds funny, but with all the different cars out there, and some of them have remote head keys, some of them within the same model year could be a 2-button, 3-button, 4-button, 5-button. We got some are 6 buttons. What I need to tell you if we can cut a key for you or duplicate a key, if you have keys. If you don't have keys, that's a different matter. But if you want to get a key duplicated or a copy of a key, I'm going to need a good picture of the front of the key and of the back of the key. Now, I always say in focus because a blurry picture is really difficult. So give me an in focus picture. You can email it to us at info@mrlocksmith.com or give us a call and we'll give you our phone number, my cell phone, and you can text me the picture and then we can tell you what you have. So again, take an infos picture of the front of the key and the back of the key. And we're going to need year, make, and model, and then we can tell you the exact cost for us to copy you another key. And realize that most the newer cars, all cars in Canada specifically from 2008 to present, require a chip or transponder, and most of those keys have to be programmed on site. So we have to plug into your car system. We have all the tools and everything. So we can duplicate the key, program it in, and make it work. And really, they started in 1999 on some Mustangs and some other models. So it's been around for a long time. Most modern cars will have a chip transponder, or the new ones don't even have a key. It's just proximity. So again, picture of the front, the back, and then we can tell you a year, make, and model. And what's really helpful sometimes if you have the VIN, not necessary all the times, but sometimes the VIN, that's the vehicle identification number, VIN, and that will tell us exactly what year it was made. Okay, have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.